Welcome to QuickBooks Online Payroll. Here, you can pay your employees and have QuickBooks alert you on future payroll tax payments. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Go to Payroll and select Overview. This is where you pay your team. If you just signed up for QuickBooks Online Payroll, you can use the list of tasks to set up payroll correctly. This page shows shortcuts to commonly used functions like settings, reports, tax, and more. You can run payroll from this screen. From the Employees tab, you'll see a list of employees you've added to QuickBooks and their pay rates. If you want more details, select an employee. If you're hiring a new employee, select Add an Employee to set them up. This is also where you can invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce so they can add some of their personal info, as well as view their payslips and P60S online by adding their email ID. We have covered more on adding an employee in more detail in a separate video at the end of this one. Once you select an employee, select Actions to change the status of the employee or to delete an employee. QuickBooks Online Payroll also helps you select additional pay types and also select employee benefits under Workplace Pension, Loan, and other deductions. Select the Payroll Taxes tab. The Payroll Tax Center is where QuickBooks alerts you on anything that needs attention or is coming up in the future for tax payments. You can see the history of payments under the Done section. If you use QuickBooks Online Payroll or Elite, you can use the Time tab to see who's working and where, enter time, and approve employee time. Go to Reports, then Standard Reports, and then go to the Payroll section to run reports on payroll details, annual payroll summary, and more. To see your payroll preferences, go to Settings, select Payroll Settings. This is where you update your payroll tax info, workplace pension, and more. You can also use the Settings menu to change your subscriptions and billing info. If you want to grant your payroll administrators access to QuickBooks Payroll or need to update your payroll contacts, select Manage Users to add them. Check out another video to learn more about how to set up users. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your payroll.